Logic-1 near 10. Given a non-negative number num, so we're given it's non-negative, return true if num is within 2 of a multiple of 10. So we can use the mod operator. So 7 mod 5 is 2. So what mod does is that it basically gives us the remainder. So since we're thinking of multiple of 10, we can basically think. So if we do 18 mod 10, we're going to get 8 because we can divide 18 by 10 by 1 time. So then that's 1.8. But then if we just think about the remainder, we can take out 10 from 18. So we have 8 left. So in that kind of logic, we can say, so what we'll accept as true is when it's something like 11 or 12 or 18 or 19. And also the case when there is no remainder, like 10, 20, 30. So things like 32, 31, 41, 48, 49, these are all going to be accepted, meaning that when we do mod, it's either going to be 2, 1, or 8, or 9, or 0. So then we can say if num mod 10 is less than or equal to 2, or num mod 10 is greater than or equal to 8. So 8 and 9, and then we have less than or equal to 2, meaning 2, 1, and 0. And we're not really going to expect a negative value here from the mod because since we're using 10, so there's probably not going to be a negative value, and then there's not probably also not going to be like a 10 or 11, 12 since we're modding it by 10. So that's going to be the greatest. So 9 is going to be the greatest remainder available. So then if this is the case, then we can return true. And then if that's not the case, we can return false. So that should work, but we can actually even make this shorter by saying return. In this case, then this is going to like act as an if statement like this. So then if either this is true or this is true, it's going to return true. If neither are true, then it's going to return false. But if we add the if statement, it's not going to run. But if we just have it without the if, then it's going to work like this.